My dear viewers, welcome to our channel InfoVoice. Let's see what we will discuss today. Today we will discuss about top 5 expensive foods on the earth. So don't wasting your time, let's come to the point. Let's start the countdown. The least expensive food of my list is pizza. Industrial Kitchen, which is located in the financial district of the New York City, serves the 24-carat pizza. It has black dough that has been dyed with the squid. Then it is topped with the foie gras, English cheese, French truffles and 4-carat gold. After it is baked, the pizza is topped with the savior from the Caspian Sea. Someone gave the following review for this pizza. I am fulfilling one of my greatest fantasies. Eating this pizza, I feel like a Bond villain. I want to eat this in my volcano lair. Its price is about $2,000. The next expensive food of my list is souffle. A restaurant in the New York City called Petrosian sells a savior souffle that costs a shocking $2,500. The souffle is made with quail eggs and they use applewood smoke to enhance the flavor. Then it is topped with the 24-carat gold leaf and a 200-year-old cognac that is set on the fire and used to flam the dish. Last and certainly not least, it is topped with some of the most expensive savior you can find. This holds the Guinness World Record for being the most expensive souffle in the world. This is a part of the secret menu at Petrosian, so you need to ask for the chef to make it special for you. The next expensive food of my list is grapes. In Japan, it is polite to bring gifts over someone's house when you come to visit, especially if you have just gone on vacation and brought back souvenirs. It is common for people to bring baskets of fruit as a gift. Over time, luxury fruit became popular as a way for the healthy to one-up their friends. Maybe you have seen the video from BuzzFeed where they tried grapes that cost nearly $2,000. Believe it or not, there are even more expensive grapes in Japan. The price of these luxury grapes is typically decided by a committee, but one bunch in particular actually went up for auction and reached the insane price of $10,900. The next expensive food of my list is breakfast. In 2009, the West End in London had a theatrical production of Breakfast at Tiffany's. They served a breakfast for the opening performance and it ended up earning the record for the most expensive breakfast in the world. Unfortunately, the only thing that the guest got for the $27,000 was a croissant, coffee and a cocktail. The croissant was decorated with gold and diamonds, so at least it was fancy. And the most expensive food of my list is savior. Everyone knows that savior is one of the most expensive foods in the world. Even on Amazon, tins of savior sells in the ballpark of $100. The most expensive savior in the world comes from the almas eggs of the Iranian beluga fish. These fish are between 60 to 100 years old. They live in the Caspian Sea where there is a very little pollution. Since their eggs are so rare, this cost a whopping $34,500. And it has the Guinness World Record for being the most expensive savior. If you like this video, please hit the like button and give me your opinion in comments and subscribe our channel for more informative videos.